Did you know that your cat's coat color could reveal more about their personality than you might think? For centuries, humans have associated certain character traits with the colors of our feline companions. But is there any truth to these beliefs, or is it just superstition? Today, we're uncovering the fascinating connection between your cat's fur color and how genetics and scientific observations support these associations. The science behind it might surprise you. White cats. White cats, with their pure snow-white fur, are often associated with calm and serene personalities. At first, they might seem a little shy, almost as if they're evaluating you before deciding to trust you. But once they do, they become incredibly loyal, silently accompanying and observing every moment of your life. White cats are known for their elegance and composed demeanor. While they may sometimes appear distant, they're deeply perceptive and surprisingly sensitive to human emotions. When a white cat chooses you as their person, it signifies a bond of deep trust, a trust that lasts a lifetime. The mystery of white cats goes beyond their appearance. Did you know that a genetic peculiarity related to the Dewey gene not only gives them their distinctive white fur, but is also linked to deafness? White cats with blue eyes are particularly prone to being deaf in one or both ears due to this unique genetic trait. But despite this condition, white cats have developed remarkable ways to communicate. They rely on visual signals, subtle vibrations, and an extraordinary sensitivity to movement to interact with their environment. What's more, white cats sometimes have eyes of different colors, a phenomenon known as heterochronia. Aside from being visually stunning, this reflects the rich genetic diversity of these fascinating felines. Did you know that the gene responsible for their white color is connected to the migration of pigment cells during embryonic development? When these cells don't fully reach the eyes or ears, it can lead to deafness or differently colored eyes. This genetic complexity makes white cats a true enigma of nature. Orange or red cats. Imagine the boundless energy of an orange cat dashing through the house, its fur gleaming like a ray of sunshine. Orange cats are the extroverts of the feline family, always eager to seek out human company and, of course, stir up a little mischief. It's almost as if they carry the warmth and joy of their vibrant fur in their personality. If you have an orange cat, you know exactly what I mean. They adore being around people and seem to thrive as the center of attention. They're like little hosts, ready to greet you with a cheerful meow or a nonstop purr. But don't let their friendly demeanor fool you. Behind all that affection lies a mischievous streak. The genetics of orange cats are just as fascinating as their personalities. Did you know that most orange-coated cats are male? That's because the gene determining their color is located on the X chromosome. Since males only need one X chromosome to show this vibrant color, male orange cats are far more common than females. This genetic quirk might even be connected to their lively nature. Male cats tend to be more territorial and protective, which could explain some of their energetic behaviors. Interestingly, some studies suggest that orange cats have friendlier personalities, possibly due to a combination of their genetics and early life experiences. This unique interplay between genetics and behavior makes orange cats a delightful example of how each feline is truly one of a kind. Black cats. Imagine a black cat walking through the dim light of your house, moving with an almost ghostly grace. They've always been shrouded in myths and superstitions, often associated with bad luck, or even the supernatural. But if you've ever shared your life with one of these majestic felines, you know there's much more to them than just a simple mystery behind those bright eyes. Contrary to popular belief, black cats don't belong to a specific breed. In fact, their color can appear in many different breeds, making them truly unique and diverse. The secret lies in melanin, the pigment responsible for their characteristic dark fur color. But here's something curious. This color can slightly change depending on factors like temperature or even diet. Sometimes, black cats develop reddish-black tones when their diet lacks certain nutrients, revealing the fascinating biology behind their enigmatic appearance. These cats are usually independent and observant, like silent guardians who prefer to watch before they act. However, behind that reserved demeanor lies a loving nature that only a few are lucky enough to experience. Their yellow or green eyes are like windows to the soul of a cat that, although reserved, is deeply loyal and protective. Genetic resistance. Research has uncovered a remarkable trait in black cats: genetic resistance. These felines possess specific gene mutations that give them greater resistance to certain diseases. This genetic resistance may explain their longevity and adaptability, allowing them to thrive in difficult situations. Some researchers even believe this resistance helped black cats survive throughout history, adding to that aura of invincibility and mystery. Tricolor cats. Now let's talk about the stunning tricolor cats, often known as calico and tortoiseshell. Their coats, a beautiful mix of white, black, and orange, give them a unique presence and personality that's impossible to overlook. Tricolor cats are known for their strong personalities. They're smart, cunning, and can sometimes be a little bossy. They always seem to know what they want and how to get it. If you've ever shared your home with a tricolor cat, you've likely witnessed their confident attitude and their knack for taking charge. While they can be affectionate and loyal, they always maintain their own space and their own rules. The genetics behind tricolor cats. The genetics of tricolor cats are as fascinating as their personalities. Did you know that most tricolor cats are female? This is because their genetic makeup involves two X chromosomes, each carrying the genes responsible for the orange and black colors. Since males only have one X chromosome, it's extremely rare for them to have tricolor fur. In fact, for every 3,000 tricolor females, there's only about one male, and only 1 in 10,000 of those males will be fertile. Tricolor cats are also known to be highly territorial and protective, especially when it comes to their space and their humans. This behavior is likely influenced by their two active X chromosomes, which affect their hormone levels and contribute to their independent nature. X chromosome inactivation. Interestingly, tricolor and tortoiseshell cats experience a phenomenon called X chromosome inactivation. This means that in each cell, one of the X chromosomes is randomly inactivated. This randomness is what results in their distinctive color patterns, making them a fascinating example of genetic diversity in nature. Tricolor cats are truly a whirlwind of color and character, blending unique genetic traits with strong, independent personalities. Tabby cats. Tabby cats, with their distinctive stripes and swirls, seem to carry the essence of a little tiger in their genes. They are the most common, yet also the most enigmatic and curious. Always ready to explore every corner of the house, tabby cats seem to discover hidden secrets wherever they go. Their adventurous spirit leads them to investigate everything around them. No matter how many times they roam the house, there always seems to be something new to discover. Their keen observation and constant energy make them true little feline detectives. Tabby patterns aren't just about aesthetics. They are deeply rooted in the genetic history of cats. This coat type is associated with very old genes that date back to the first domesticated cats. One of these genes, called the agouti gene, is responsible for creating those characteristic stripes, spots, or swirls. Studies have shown that tabby cats tend to exhibit more inquisitive behavior, likely due to their genetic inheritance from hunting ancestors. This predisposition to be observant and explorative could be an evolutionary adaptation that has helped them survive and thrive over centuries. Did you know that tabby cats often have an M on their forehead? This distinctive mark has given rise to many legends across cultures, ranging from religious tales to ancient myths. Genetically, this M forms from the distribution of the colored bands in the fur, all influenced by the same agouti gene. Gray-blue cats. Gray cats, like the iconic British shorthairs, seem to carry a natural calmness with them. Their sweet, serene gaze, combined with their soft, velvety fur, projects a sense of peace and trust. These felines are usually calm, affectionate, and very loyal to their human family, forming a strong and special bond. Gray cats don't need to be loud to attract attention. Their imposing and relaxed presence says it all. They are the kind of cats who enjoy silent company, spending hours curled up next to their owners, radiating tranquility and harmony. The elegance of gray cats goes beyond their fur. It's due to a fascinating genetic mutation. The gray, or blue color, as it's often called, results from a dilution of the original pigment in the fur, controlled by a gene called melanin dilution. This mutation affects how dark pigments are expressed, leading to a soft, elegant tone. Studies have suggested that cats with this mutation tend to display a calmer, less anxious temperament. This combination of physical and behavioral traits has made gray cats symbols of serenity and balance, especially appreciated for their adaptable nature and ability to adjust to different environments. Did you know that the color dilution in gray cats can also influence the texture of their fur? Some studies have shown that cats with diluted fur tend to have a softer and denser texture, which could explain why they're so irresistible to the touch. Gray cats are truly a symbol of calm and balance. Tuxedo cats. Tuxedo cats, with their perfectly bicolored coats, always seem to be dressed in a formal suit, ready for any fancy event. But don't be fooled by their polished appearance. Tuxedos are known to be sociable, playful, and often the comedians of the household. Not only do they have a charming look, but they also tend to have charismatic personalities. They love being the center of attention, enjoying every moment with their humans, showcasing their mischievous and playful side. Tuxedo cats are the kind that brings a smile to your face at the most unexpected moments. The genetics behind tuxedo cats are just as interesting as their appearance. These cats owe their characteristic coat to a gene responsible for color distribution, known as the Paul gene. This gene controls the presence of white patches in the coat, which forms when pigment cells are unevenly distributed during embryonic development. This creates the distinctive black and white spots we love to see. Studies have suggested that tuxedo cats tend to be more outgoing and friendly, likely due to their high interaction with humans and ability to adapt to various environments. While a direct link between coat pattern and behavior hasn't been established, many owners agree that tuxedos are exceptionally active and sociable. Did you know that some researchers have even nicknamed tuxedo cats feline diplomats? This is because of their ability to get along with both humans and other animals. These cats seem to have a natural ability to calm tensions and build strong social bonds. Tuxedo cats truly are quite the show of elegance. Siamese or collar point cats. Imagine a Siamese cat with its sleek, cream-colored coat and ocean blue eyes, mewing in a voice that seems to have its own story to tell. Siamese or collar point cats are as distinctive for their appearance as they are for their personality. They are talkative, affectionate, and love to interact with their owners, always wanting to be aware of every conversation and move. These felines have a vibrant and expressive personality. It's not uncommon to see a Siamese following you around the house, commenting on your every action. They love being the center of attention, and their affectionate nature leads them to create very strong bonds with their owners, whom they consider family. The distinctive color pattern of Siamese cats is more than just an aesthetic peculiarity, it's an intriguing genetic phenomenon. These cats have a unique color pattern due to a gene called the Himalayan gene, which is related to body temperature. This gene causes the cooler areas of the body, like the paws, ears, muzzle, and tail, to be darker than the rest of the body. This adaptation happens because the enzymes responsible for pigmentation are sensitive to heat. In warmer areas of the body, these enzymes become inactivated, giving rise to the distinctive cream color with dark extremities. Additionally, studies have revealed that Siamese cats tend to be more vocal, thanks to their genetics and natural predisposition to communicate frequently. Their distinctive meows are not just a way to get your attention, but also a way for them to express their emotions and needs. Did you know that the blue eyes of Siamese cats are a result of a lack of pigment in the iris? Unlike other cats with blue eyes, Siamese cats don't have pigment in their iris, which allows light to reflect and gives them that characteristic crystal blue tone. Your cat's coat color isn't just about aesthetics. It can reveal aspects of their character and behavior. While it's not an absolute rule, it's fascinating how genetics, history, and life experiences intertwine to shape their unique personality. Cats may seem enigmatic, But no matter their color, they're constantly sending us signals. There are clear signs that reveal when a cat is happy and in optimal health. Before we end, tell me, what color is your cat, and how would you describe their personality? Do you see any of the traits we talked about in your furry friend? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Understanding our cats better helps us build stronger bonds with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, cat lovers.